12 most impressive patrol boats in the world. Impressive patrol boats that are able to operate in marine, estuary, or river environments and are fitted with rigid inflatable boats. These boats are utilized by naval and police services in countries all over the world to carry out coastal defense or border patrol operations. Before we reveal the top 12 most impressive patrol boats in the world, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel so we can amaze you with more videos like this. Some of the most impressive boats in the world include offshore patrol vessels, naval patrol boats, patrol ships, high-altitude patrol boats, armored ships, and Russian patrol boats with great range and power military boats. However, the best of the best patrol boats were listed and compiled in this video. So are you ready to pick up the pace? Here we go. Number 12. The ships are identical to their tried-and-true predecessors in every respect. The 33-meter vessels are distinguished by the incorporation of Damen's signature axe-bow hull form, which provides exceptional fuel efficiency, a top speed of 29 knots, outstanding maneuverability, and first-rate seakeeping. 3,579 bhp Caterpillar main engines, each with a Range's WVS series gearbox, turn-fixed pitch propeller. They have a range of 1,200 nautical miles, can stay at sea for up to 2 weeks, and can accommodate a crew of 6. They are designed to patrol the coastal and offshore oil fields of Nigeria. The versatility and efficiency of the Damen FCS 3307 Patrol goes beyond its primary function as security vessel, thanks to its 75 square meter aft cargo deck, which can carry 2.5 tons per square meter of the cargo. They can still fulfill their primary security job while delivering supplies to offshore locations, thanks to the deck. Number 11. Mark 6. The United States Navy uses patrol boats class known as Mark 6 Patrol Boat to monitor coastal and inland waterways. When it comes to protecting friendly and coalition forces and vital infrastructure, the Mark 6 Patrol Boat's principal function is to give capability to patrol littoral areas beyond protected harbors and base on a constant basis. Some examples of these tasks are aiding security forces, escorting high-value unit cargo, conducting visit, board, search, and seizure operations, and working along with theater security. History Safe Boats International has designed the Mark 6 Patrol Boat. This strategy marks a pivot by the Navy away from the blue water combat, typical of the Cold War era, and toward littoral zone operations in the brown water environment. Mark 6 patrol boats are larger, more survivable, and equipped with cutting-edge weapons, communications, and intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance capability. They are meant to replace the older riverine command boat in open water and near-shore operations. Number 10. Project 21980. It is a boat that has been created specifically for the aim of acting as a counter-sabotage device. Its primary function in Russia is to prevent acts of sabotage and support a diverse variety of operational requirements. It is used by Russian Navy to safeguard the country's border and to monitor naval stations. She is outfitted with ships that can perform search and rescue operations, as well as unmanned underwater vehicles. It is 138 tons in capacity and has dimensions of 31 meters in length and 7.4 meters in width. She has a cruising range of 200 nautical miles and can accommodate a total 8 crew members. She is powered by 2 engines, having a combined 3,600 horsepower and the ability to go at maximum speed of 23 knots, or 42 kilometers per hour. Number 9. FPV 35M. It is a strong and effective fast patrol vessel made in the United States. It is made to navigate in the roughest conditions while still being safe and easy to move around. It is used for a variety of missions, such as patrolling or coastal defense. It comes with a 7-meter-long rescue boat. It is 35 meters long, 7.2 meters wide, and weighs 130 tons. It has a range of 3,000 nautical miles and has space for a total of 12 crew. It has 3 engines with 300 horsepower in total and can reach a speed greater than 40 knots. Number 8. Rio Arlanza A21. A fast rescue boat developed and built in Spain. It boasts impressive rates of speed, stability, and handling. Civil Guard's Maritime Service utilizes it for monitoring territorial waters for surveillance. She has a semi-rigid boat that may be deployed rapidly for search and rescue duties. Its dimensions are 35 meter in length, 7.8 meter in width, and 129 meter in displacement. It can travel 1,100 nautical miles with its 8-person crew. Her maximum speed is 30 knots, and she is powered by 2 engines, totaling 3,600 horsepower. Number 7. Austal Patrol Forte. It was built and manufactured in Australia. The Austal Patrol Forte is a long-range patrol vessel and has participated in a project that contributes to increasing maritime safety in the South Pacific region. It is employed for a variety of purposes, including patrolling and guard fishing sites, and it is able to carry a swift weapon. It is a rescue boat with a capacity for 50, and its dimensions are 39 meters in length and 8 meters in width. Steel was used in the construction of her hull, and she has a range of 3,000 nautical miles and room for a total of 23 passengers. She is capable of reaching a top speed of 20 knots and is equipped with 2 engines that combine for a total of 5,300 horsepower. Number 6. Damen FCS Patrol 4207. It is a vessel that has been created in Netherlands, and it is brisk and effective. It is intended to offer high performance and resistance since it was being built. It is used by Mexican Navy or the United Kingdom Border Agency to carry out maritime patrol and territorial surveillance missions. It is equipped with 1 rapid response boat and advanced navigation system. It measures 42 meters long by 7 meters wide and has a displacement of 250 tons. It has a range of 2,000 nautical miles and has space for a total of 18 crew. It has engines with a total of 11,400 horsepower and can reach a speed of 26 knots. It measures 42 meters long by 7 meters wide and a displacement of 250 tons. Number 5. Rodman 138. Spain is a country where this ship of the latest generation has been built. It is meant to give great performance and cover wide areas of the state for monitoring. It is utilized by the agency that administers taxes in order to carry out customs inspections while sailing the high seas. The Rodman 138 is armed with a pair of boats designed for a quick intervention. It has 260 tons in capacity. It has dimensions of 43 meters length and 8.3 meters in width. She is capable of traveling a distance of 2,000 nautical miles and can accommodate a total of 14 crew members in addition to 10 guests. This boat is capable of reaching a maximum speed of 29 knots and is equipped with 2 engines that together produce 4,000 horsepower. Number 4. Sentinel-class cutter. The Sentinel-class cutter is a quick-response vessel that was built in the United States of America. It has a length of 46 meters, a width of 8 meters, and a displacement of 353 tons. It can travel a distance of 2,900 nautical miles and has space for a total of 20 crew members and 4 officers. The United States Coast Guard uses it for defense operations, environmental protection, and maritime law enforcement. It is equipped with a fast boat and remote-controlled defense system. She is equipped with 2 engines that together produce 11,500 horsepower, and she is capable of exceeding 28 knots in speed. Number 3. RS-150 Hercules. It is a high-speed vessel that has been manufactured in Turkey. It is used by the Coast Guard of countries such as Qatar, and it is considered to be the fastest high-seas patrol ship in the world. It is equipped with remotely controlled defensive systems, as well as 2 interceptor vessels for use in special operations. She is composite in construction, measures 48 meters in length, 9 meters in width, and has displacement of 275 tons. She has a range of 1,600 nautical miles, and her dimensions are 48 meters in length and 9 meters in width. She has 3 engines with a total of 9,000 horsepower, and she can reach a maximum speed of more than 35 knots. Number 2. M58 Patrol Boat. It is a manufactured high-power patrol vessel that has been in operation for some time. In Thailand, it is intended to combine high-speed performance with a broad operational dynamic range. Its primary function is to patrol maritime areas and provide protection for fishing, and commercial vessels is outfitted with 2 vessels capable of quick responses and cutting-edge defense technology. She is 520 tons in displacement and has dimensions of 58 meters in length and 9.3 meters in width, and capable of traveling a distance of 2,500 nautical miles and can accommodate a total of 54 passengers. She is capable of producing speeds more than 24 knots, thanks to her 3 powerful engines, which together produce a total of 10,000 horsepower. Number 1. Austal Patrol 58. It is a tough and resilient vessel that has been made in Australia, and it is put to use for the purposes of patrolling the borders, keeping an eye on fishing vessels, and ensuring the safety of the seas. She has 2 speedboats on board and can be modified to accommodate upcoming improvements in surveillance technology. Her dimensions are 58 meters in length and 10.3 meters in width, and she can carry a load of 400 tons and has a range of 4,000 nautical miles, which is equivalent to a time span of 28 days, and she can accommodate a total of 22 crew members. The boat is capable of reaching a top speed of 25 knots and is equipped with 2 engines that total 6,700 horsepower. If you liked it, please let us know what other kinds of boats you'd want to see us cover in a future video. And if you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Until the next one, see you!